Hello everyone, myself Pallavi Patil from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In last video, we saw the magnet application, magnet advantage, challenges of magnet, architecture of magnet. In this video, we will learn the remaining part of Unit 5. Let's see what are the outcomes of this video. The learner will be able to understand what is WSN, WSN architecture, application of WSN, advantage of WSN, characteristics of WSN, and designing challenges of WSN. Let's see the first. What is the WSN? WSN is a wireless sensor network. Is a system that consists of multiple sensing elements distributed the specially with specific objective to measure different physical quantity and communicated those measurement between themselves and the central gateway. Simply, the wireless sensor network, that is a WSN, is a wireless network. Is a consist of the distributed autonomous device using sensor to monitor physical environment condition. A WSN system is incorporate a gateway that provide wireless connectivity back to the wire world and distributed node. The WSN can be defined self-configure and infrastructure-less wireless network is a monitored physical environment condition such as the temperature, sound, vibration, pressure, motion, pollution, and to be cooperatively pass their data through a network on the main location SNC where the data can be observed and analyzed. The wireless sensor network is a special case ad hoc network with reduced and zero mobility and known as a data centric. That means unlike traditional ad hoc network where the data is requested from the specific node or location, the data requested based on the sense attribute. This is user, internet and SNC. This is a SNC node and this is a wireless sensor network. The next wireless sensor network architecture. This is a diagram of the wireless sensor network architecture. The application layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, physical layer. These are the different layer of the wireless architecture we are using. Application layer is energy saving in the application layer, achieving through application service which aim at energy conversion by catching mutual data obtained from the data retrieval at a location that minimizes sum of requests and update traffic of the application layer. The next is transport layer. When the multiple node want to transmit a data through the same channel at the same time, when the routing node fail to forward the received data to the next routing node, congestion of course. The congestion and data loss occur at node which are nearest to the SNC node. This is a transport layer. Next is a network layer. The routing is the process in which the find the path between the source to destination while initiating the data communication in network. The next is a data link layer. The data link layer is like MAC layer is the two has a responsible reliability, energy efficiency, high throughput, and low access delay. Utilize the energy limited resource sensor node. The last one is a physical layer. This is a modulation, transmission, and receiving the technique are importance of physical layer. Multi-hops wireless sensor network is a distant transmission energy modulation scheme. Energy efficiency can be increased proper modulation scheme. This is the WSA architecture layer. The next is a designing challenges of the sorry. Next is This is a layers of the, and next is the application of the WSN. The different applications of the WSN, like a wireless sensor network, is important actually exiting the new technology to create. The survival application is a military wireless sensor network. Is a military, it is a survival network. It is used to security purpose. Using a military wireless sensor network that acquire and verify the information about enemy capability and position of hostile target. The use for the security purpose. The next is a body area network. The body area network. The body area network specializes sensor that transducer and development to measure the human body, characterize the parameter, then the human condition, Colby predefined efficiency and the accuracy. Next, environment monitoring. The environment uses sensor in a monitoring that landfill and the air quality development of the large number of the sensor allow real time monitoring of gases beginning the emitted by the wasted material of the hazard pollution, drinking water quality. The main objective of the development data monitoring technique is water quality database. Most of them using the environment data, which help to addition of the treat water before releasing the distribution system. These are the different application, different industrial application like precision agriculture and animal tracking, smart buildings, urban terrain environment monitoring, entertainment, health care, smart grid, and energy control system. These are the different applications of the WSN. Next is characteristics of WSN. The characteristics of WSN actually it is a currently used for the real world physical environment to measure numbers of parameters. So the characteristics of WSN must be considered for the efficient development of the network. The these are the characteristics like the consumption power limit for the node with battery, the capacity to handle with node failure, some mobility of node and heterogeneity of the node, scalability to large scale disruption, capability of the ensure strict environment conditions, simple to use and cross-layer design. These are the different characteristics of the WSN. Also, it is a low cost, is a energy efficient, communication capability, security and privacy. It's a dynamic network topology, self-organization, multi-hop. These are the different characteristics of the WSN. The next, the next is the advantage of the WSN. The advantage, the first is the network arrangement can be carried out without involve the infrastructure. Apart for the non-reachable place like a mountain over the sea, rural area, and deep forest. It is flexible if there is a causal situation when a additional workstation is required. The next is a execution pricing is a inexpensive. Avoid the plenty of running. It might provide accommodation for the new device at a time. It can be obtained by using a centralized monitoring. These are the different advantage of the wireless sensor network. It's also a flexible network and adopt change capacity. Next, designing challenges of the WSN. WSN, that is a wireless network challenge. The scalable and flexible architecture, error-prone wireless media infrastructure. Next is a node development, real time and dynamic change and power consumption and product costs. These are the different design challenges of WSN. like it is a flexible and error prone infrastructure and different challenges of the WSN. Thank you, dear student. This is Unit 5 Part 3 PPD. The remaining part of Unit 5 we will see in a next video. And any student, any doubt regarding this video, note down your problems, note down your queries. We will solve your doubt in upcoming live session. Thank you.